Did your forward collision warning light just come on and you're not sure how to reset it? Don't worry, here's what you need to do. Welcome to Car Care Fix, your go-to place for simple tips, smart fixes, and expert advice to keep your car running perfectly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check for a dirty sensor or camera. Sometimes the issue is as simple as dirt, snow, or ice blocking the camera or sensor. When this happens, the system can give false alerts or stop working properly. Clean the area carefully so the camera can see clearly again. Step 2. Turn off the warning light manually. You can often reset the system by pressing and holding the button on your steering wheel. After a few seconds, the light should turn off and everything should return to normal. Step 3. Reset by disconnecting the battery. A quick reset can fix minor glitches. Just disconnect the battery, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and reconnect it. This simple trick often solves temporary system errors. Step 4. Battery-related issues. If you recently replaced or disconnected your battery, or if there's a fault in the FEB system, it might trigger the warning light. Step 5. Check the fuse box. Inspect the fuse for the forward collision avoidance assist system. If it's blown, replace it. After that, disconnect and reconnect the battery again to fully reset the system. Step 6. Software or hardware problems. Sometimes the issue is deeper, like a software glitch, faulty radar or camera, damaged wiring, or a weak battery. These can cause the system to malfunction or stop giving warnings. Step 7. Regular maintenance matters. Over time, sensors can wear out. That's why it's important to have your vehicle checked regularly to keep everything working properly. Step 8. Check brake fluid level. If the brake fluid is low, the system may shut down to protect your brakes. Make sure the fluid level is correct and top it up if needed. Step 9. When to seek professional help. If none of these steps fix the problem, it could be a serious electrical issue. In that case, it's best to visit a professional technician for proper diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more car care tips. See you in the next video.